Should all acquaintance be forgotten and never brought to mind? Should all acquaintance be forgotten, days of Auld Ange Syne? For Auld Ange Syne, my dear, for Auld Ange Syne, we'll take a cup of kindness yet for Auld Ange Syne. We dwell on the mountains and put the garments high. We wandered on a weary foot, seen Auld Lang Syne. Auld Lang Syne, my dear, Auld Lang Syne, we'll take a cup of kindness yet for Auld Lang Syne.
Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and Auld Lang Syne? For Auld Lang Syne, my dear, for Auld Lang Syne, Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and then Auld Lang Syne? Happy New Year to you and your friends, and have a drink on me. Happy New Year to you and have a drink on me. Happy New Year!
Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and days of Auld Lang Syne? For Auld Lang Syne, my dear, for Auld Lang Syne, we'll talk a cup of kindness yet for days of Auld Lang Syne. And here's a hand, my trusty friend, and here's a hand of thine. We'll talk a cup of kindness yet for Auld Lang Syne. For Auld Lang Syne, my dear, for Auld Lang Syne, we'll talk a cup of kindness yet for Auld Lang Syne. Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should